Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
We had filed a petition. What happened is that subsequent to the FIR, the police investigated and filed a charge sheet. Now, after some time, they filed a supplementary charge sheet before the Sessions Court. Now, that supplementary charge sheet came to be filed somewhere in the year 2023. Now, we had opposed that, filing an application for discarding it before the session judge. Now, a primary contention before the session judge was that permission of the magistrate, which is otherwise required under 173 subsection 8, was not taken by the investigating officer. Now, that application came to be dismissed by the Sessions Court. Now, we challenged that order before the Honorable High Court. Now, the Honorable High Court, considering all the precedents right up till 2026, which have been decided by the Honorable Supreme Court, now there, the Honorable Supreme Court says that permission of the magistrate or the session judge, that would be in this case, is mandatory when you seek further investigation, which the investigating officer had not done while submitting this supplementary charge sheet before the Sessions Court. And considering all that, the Honorable High Court has allowed my petition and ordered that this charge sheet, which is filed supplementarily, be discarded.
What were the contents in the supplementary charge
The
sheet?
supplementary charge sheet basically contained test identification parade. There were call details of the accused and some other person allegedly, and there were statements recorded and mobile phones which were attached. Now, apparently, what had happened, the investigating officer had directly filed it before the Sessions Court, which was the mandatory provision was not complied of taking the permission. So, on that basis, now this supplementary charge sheet has been discarded.